I just learned that one 5 minutes ago, so.